Worker misclassification and independent contractors. Worker misclassification of an independent contractor arises when a business treats a person as an independent contractor when they should legally be classified as an employee. This is a critical distinction because employees are entitled to numerous rights and protections under applicable employment standards legislation, as well as being subject to different tax rules, while independent contractors are generally not. The legal classification hinges on the true nature of the working relationship, not just what the contract or the parties call it. Courts and regulatory bodies like the Canada Revenue Agency look beyond the labels to the facts, using various tests to determine the correct status. These legal tests are particularly important given the emphasis that is placed on them in making the determination as to the appropriate classification for the worker, such that it is particularly important to understand and implement those factors in creating and maintaining the working relationship, which needs to be an exceedingly high and ongoing priority, especially when one considers the legal consequences that may arise should it be determined that the worker was misclassified. Misclassifying an employee as an independent contractor allows a business to avoid its legal and financial obligations, leading to serious penalties if discovered through an audit or a legal challenge. The potential legal and financial liabilities for the hiring business can include employment standards violations. The business can be liable for retroactive payment of employee entitlements, including unpaid overtime pay, unpaid vacation pay and statutory holiday pay, termination pay and/or severance pay upon dismissal, failure to provide statutory leaves, such as sick leave, parental leave, fines and administrative penalties from provincial or federal labor authorities, tax and statutory liabilities from the Canada Revenue Agency, liability for the employer's share of Canada Pension Plan contributions and employment insurance premiums, plus the amount that should have been deducted from the worker's pay, interest and penalties from the Canada Revenue Agency for failure to withhold income tax, workers' compensation, liability for retroactive premiums to the Provincial Workers' Compensation Board, wrongful dismissal claims. A misclassified worker may sue for common law and reasonable notice of termination, which can be significantly more than the minimum entitlements under employment standards legislation. For more information about our legal practice with respect to independent contractors and employees in a business setting, please contact our law firm to schedule a confidential consultation. Thank you.